Guys, welcome back to another episode of This versus That. Today, I'm out here with Miss Linda here. She is a Instagram foodie, I guess. All her Instagram stuff is
It's food.
is about her eating stuff.
Yes.
Which I'm a little jealous.
Oh,
But
I'll
yeah,
share next time.
I just go to Whataburger.
Okay.
Have you been to Whataburger yet?
I have, yes. What's your favorite thing?
Burger.
I hope so.
Yeah, so yes, she's down here in Dallas doing some foodie stuff, so I figure we come together and we do a shoot. Today what I'm doing is I'm trying to test this little thing out right here. Instagram model too, by the way. So this is a black mist filter. You gotta find this thing online, like in various format, various names, but this one right here is basically, it's a filter where it makes all the lights and stuff. So if you look at the light in the background, woo, awesome. If you look at the lights in the background, it's kind of blurry, but we're still in focus. And so that's what I'm trying to test out today, this little filter right here. Yeah, I want to thank K&F for sending me this to test out. But yeah, today we're gonna do a various things like food shot, B-roll shot of eating,
Yes.
which she loves. So yeah, we're gonna do some eating today. We already had, obviously, you can tell she already had a drink. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So why don't you tell everyone about your Instagram?
Okay. Hi everyone, it's Linda. And today we will be exploring a part of downtown Dallas, and pretty much like Leon said, we will be eating and drinking and seeing all the good things. And if you are into that kind of stuff and like traveling or seeing things, eating things specifically, you can feel free to follow me on my Instagram at @ilinster, which will be posted right here for you. And if you follow, I'll give you a cookie, and we'll see you guys then. Tacos and the pincho, pollo or something, whatever was on their menu. It sounded good, so we'll just go with it. This is the lobster mac and cheese. And over here we have the clam chowder. And last but not least, we have the Connecticut roll, but we'll just go with lobster roll.
Alright, testing 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Alright guys, so yeah, that is it for us today. Miss Linda here, thank you for helping me today with the filter.
Of course.
I think I showed you some of the preview of the footage. What do you think about this filter with the way the lights and everything?
I think that it works great depending on which, I guess, I don't know, which environment and which vibe you're trying to go for, but I guess...
She doesn't know.
I don't know, please don't take... I'm only an expert in food, okay? Sorry.
Yeah, she knows how to eat. I know how to do the video. So, I like the filter actually. The lighting is really good. I think some of the shot that we got with like when the lights are colorful, I think that's fantastic. But then there's some shot where it's just like plain Jane white tube light or just white light from the car. It doesn't look very good in that camera there. I don't know. Once I sit down, I edit it, I might change my mind. But so far, I kind of like it. You know. So yeah, I hope Miss Linda here comes back here to Dallas so that I get to do more of these. I love the fact that she brought all of her editor and producer, you know, to help us out. Thank you to her producer over here for the behind the scenes stuff, and obviously thank you to our cameraman for all of his work. By the way, guys, most of the shot that you see in here today is done by this man right here. Here, let me just turn the camera around. Let me just turn the camera around. There we go. Thank you very much. Oh, you know what? Why don't you guys tell us your IG as well so that they can check out all your stuff?
All right, my IG is _Lee Ly Andrew, and then
I guess my IG is gonna be 10.m.
So it really sounds like he's gonna go and create his IG tonight. That's what it sounds like. But yeah, thank you again for coming out here.
Thank you
Help me test
for
this.
everything and
Thank
for
you
all the
guys.
food.
But yeah, guys, we're gonna see you guys in the next episode. All right.